AI can process information much faster than humans. It can also analyze massive amounts of data to identify patterns and predict outcomes. But AI lacks the human touch. It can't understand things like morale, deception, or the fog of war. At least not yet.
Section 4, the AI moral maze, right or wrong. Using AI in war raises serious ethical questions.
One big concern is the idea of killer robots, autonomous weapon systems that can kill without human intervention. Is it right to give machines the power to decide who lives and dies?
Another concern is bias. AI systems are trained on data, and if that data is biased, the AI will be biased too. This could lead to AI systems making unfair or even dangerous decisions on the battlefield. Section 5, AI and the future of war, a double-edged sword. The integration of artificial intelligence into military operations is a topic of intense debate and speculation. As we stand on the brink of a new era in warfare, the implications of AI are both promising and perilous. The future of warfare is uncertain, but one thing is clear: AI is here to stay. Its presence is already being felt in various aspects of military strategy and operations, from intelligence gathering to autonomous weapon systems.
It has the potential to make warfare more precise, reducing civilian casualties. Advanced technologies like precision military drones and smart missiles are designed to target only the intended threats, minimizing collateral damage and saving innocent lives. It could also lead to the development of new, more terrifying weapons. Autonomous weapons and advanced military robotics could change the face of combat, introducing new ethical and strategic challenges.
India, with its growing tech industry, is becoming a major player in AI development. The country's investment in technology and innovation is positioning it as a leader in the global AI race. Indian scientists and engineers are making significant contributions to the field, which could have a big impact on the future of warfare. Their work in AI technology is not only advancing military capabilities, but also influencing global security dynamics.
The choices we make today about how to develop and use AI will shape the future of war for generations to come. These decisions will determine whether AI becomes a tool for peace or a catalyst for conflict. It's a future we need to think about carefully. The ethical considerations, potential risks, and strategic benefits of AI in warfare must be weighed with great care and foresight. The path we choose will define the legacy we leave for future generations.